Depot on the beat.
Yo, 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 it's your boy Dragons of Thunder, and I'm back live with another video. We got my girl Zula sitting in the leaves chilling. Oh shit, this is Naga. But I sanitized these leaves. I sanitized them with peroxide, bleach. Then I washed them off about 30 times with hot water, so they're pretty safe. Don't be set tripping if you don't know what you're talking about. So this is Naga. I wanted to show y'all her first. I'm doing a giveaway, and you need to be subscribed to the channel. It's gonna be real big, real big. So this giveaway, man, you have to be subscribed to the channel, and I have to see proof that you are subscribed. And I need to see how long too, because it's gonna be bonus points. It's gonna be bonus points for loyal subscribers. You know what I'm talking about? So if you're a loyal subscriber, if I were you, I would enter. So example, if 100 people enter, or 500 people, let's say, enter the giveaway, you would get 5 total points. Everybody else would get like 1. You know what I'm saying? So enter the giveaway, and you could be the owner of a new dun, 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 dun. I ain't gonna say it, but enter the giveaway. Anyway, man, the giveaway is cracking. Drop a comment, let me know if you're interested to enter on this video. The next video I post, or the one after that, will be revealing what I'm giving away. So stay in tune, stay in touch, hit that bell, that notification. You know what I'm talking about? So you can be notified anytime I upload a video. So the giveaway is cracking. Drop some comments about the leaves. What do you think about those? What do you think about Naga's third eye? It's pretty dope. She got one of the best third eye. She got one of the best third eye sensors that I've ever seen on a bearded dragon. Bloop bloop. So yeah, man, that's what we doing. We doing a big ass giveaway. So subscribe, comment, subscribe, and like my shit. All that shit. So I want to talk to y'all guys about the Bioactive setups, what I've done and what's going down. So I put in some succulents in Azula and E-Ray's tank. They are safe. I checked over it some more. Phantom dragons tried to tell me they wasn't. They were poisonous or something, they said. I don't know. They also told me Naga was super fat and overweight. Which she is. I ain't gonna lie, she's overweight. But the way they was saying it, and I do understand health problems with obese dragons. When they had seen her, she had just ate. Well, she had just took a bath, but she had ate maybe a couple hours before that. She's not as bloated as she was in that photo right now. So you can see her body size. You know what I'm saying? She's 17.5 inches long. I measured her day before yesterday, and she is at 32 grams, I think. I can't remember right. E-Ray went back up to around 450 something, and Azula is 472. So we booming. Sokka looking good. I think all his stress marks are gone. Let's see. Oh, not yet. They way better than they were though. So I've given him some Pedialyte with zinc, so he can get rid of that dehydration. His fat pads are gone. And look, guys, like I told y'all, he was only gone a week. When he left, he was in grade A condition. He had fat pads, he was bright. You know what I'm saying? He was only gone a week with no UVB, dead bugs, and I pulled plastic out of his ass. So So yeah, he was in bad condition, man. His hind legs were bigger than this. It's just, I'm telling y'all, man, within a week, if a dragon's not getting proper care, man, they can go down. But yeah, I gave him some Pedialyte with zinc. He's been eating real good. So Sokka's should be all the way 100% back to Dragons of Thunder quality within the next week. Fangy Fang, where you at, Fang? He down there in them leaves right there. That's him. He be hiding. He'll come out and run and bask around sometime. He chilling though in his Bioactive. He ate all his food except for a roach and one waxworm. My babies, I feed multiple bugs with their greens in the morning after they eat their greens. And yeah, man, I give them multiple bugs so they can get multiple vitamins, multiple minerals, and multiple nutrition. So, main reason I made the video was to give away and now these plants. So, I have greens sprouting up everywhere. Them some collards. On deck, on deck, on deck. E-Ray's, I don't know what's going on with E-Ray's. E-Ray kind of ran over and trampled everything the other day. There goes some greens right there. So he does have them sprouting here and there. Let's check out these ISOs. No ISOs today. Nah, they in there somewhere, but I'm not finna bother them. Y'all done seen my isopods. They crazy. E-Ray, you chilling, buddy? But my main thing I wanted to show y'all was this. Hold on, wait one. So, Naga's tank, we got a bunch of sprouty greens over here, over there, and I think I planted her squash or okra like right here, but I've been putting the bowl on it. It's all good. She don't need them anyway in there. I'll plant something later, but she's been hiding in her cave, so I took her out. That's one thing, man, that you can do when you put a dragon on a diet or a fast. You have to watch out with that, because if they have a very aggressive feeding response, like if they have a great feeding response, you don't want to mess that up. Today I was just messing around with her and I was holding some food up and she act like she didn't even want it. So I think I don't know, man. Should be all right though. We'll figure it out. We'll get it all together. Ain't that right, Naga? Naga, we gonna get it together? Yeah? All right. So anyway, man, I love these dairy cows, man. These some of the best isopods in the world. These suckers breed. And they a great size. Let's see. See if I can get y'all a sneaker peek of the icy pods. Look at them. They running and gunning. Oh, I'm pouring water out. So yeah, man, we got some, man, I'm gonna be real, man. I don't even know. I don't know if this is the squash or the okra. Let's see. I believe it's okra. So we got some sprouty sprouts right here, man. It's going down. I'm so excited about this, man. This right here, man, that tells you like the growth of live plants that I planted. When you can plant a seed in your tank, your Bioactive, man, and it grows, your substrate is on par. Your substrate is immaculate. Your substrate is awesome. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what are you doing in there? You need to come out. You gonna come out today or nah? E-Ray, you coming out today? You peeking out? Yeah. Anyway, man, that's the video. That's all I got for you guys. Thrash that like, pound that subscribe, and all that good shit. Hit that bell, the noti. the noti bell. Don't forget to like my comment on my and enter that giveaway so you can be the winner of a whole lot of. So drop a comment, let me know if you in the giveaway. The official giveaway announcement of what I'm giving away. You think I'm a worm? The official thing that I'm giving away will be announced very soon in the video, in an upcoming video. It might not be the next one, but keep watching. Giveaway will be next week. I will announce the winner next week. So let's see some activity. Booming and zooming. Uh-oh, look what I found. So I can tell you guys exactly. No, I can't. This ain't open. Let's see. My wife just texted me and said, what do you guys want me to cook? Can somebody help us out? What should she cook? Drop that in the comment what my wife should cook. Even though it'll probably be dinner time by the time you see it. But what should she cook, guys? Where are you digging, girl? Okay, so that's squash. Right there that you looking at. That's squash. I just pulled out some okras. Matter of fact, yeah, that's squash. I didn't plant okra yet. I'm tripping. I'm about to plant this okra right now, man. Let's see. If you plant the okra, man, you gotta plant it half an inch deep and 3 feet and 18 inches for the row and plant spacing. I follow that when I'm outside, and if I can, possibly I'll follow it in here. But if not, I put me 2 in one spot, right? I want my seed to yield. So I got put 2 in one spot and I stick it in my substrate. And then I cover it up like that. You don't want to like mush it down, you know what I'm saying? Pat it down. You dig? So that's an okra for her. Azula, where you going? She ain't dug in like months. I don't know what she doing. She shouldn't be grabbing. Hell, I ain't did nothing. Where should I put his, man? I don't know, but I've been told Eskimo, mighty cold. I'll put it right here, right here, right here. Boom. Got my 2 right there. Stick them in that dessert. Cover it up. And so he has okra now. Let's give Naga her okra right about 20. Let's put hers right here. Boom. So as you can see, they're right. I lost them. Dang, they disappeared. They right here, but I'm gonna just stick them down half an inch. Throw some little dirty wortsy over, and that should come up soon. Yeah, very soon. Now check her little hideout back here, man. See what she doing. She digging too. You know what? We had a small temperature drop, and all of them went into their hides and ducked off, especially this one. She wasn't getting nothing to eat, so she went and hid for almost a whole day yesterday. Huh, Naga? Naga. Well, me and Naga about to go to Lowe's, pick up some supplies, and I will holler back at you guys. Please, if you watched all the way to the end, comment Springfield Armory in the comments. Springfield Armory. That's one of my favorite lines, brands. I got the Hellcat. That is a 9mm pistol, micro pistol, capable of holding 15 rounds. 1 in the chamber, 1 up top, so a total of 16. You too can be the owner of the Springfield Armory Hellcat. Go get you one. Wait, am I tripping? Oh, I thought she was about to drop something out of that butt. Nah, she just digging. But yeah, you too can be the owner of a Springfield Armory Hellcat. So comment that in the comments, and I know you a real one for real. Guanguala.